So, do music artists need websites? Well, hell yeah. You might have Spotify, you might have Apple Music, you might have YouTube, but you don't own those platforms. That's just one of the reasons why you need a website. And secondly, you can do so much on your website. You stop capping yourself as a musician. As you're gonna go to Cardi B's website right now, you can see she's promoting the music. You know what I'm saying? And here the music video and the merch too. We go to Tory Lane's website. It's promoting his song Feels featuring Chris Brown, and you scroll down, there is the merch. You know what I'm saying? So it's always good to have a website, and today we're gonna focus on making this website a musician website, so you can be able to link your music to it, and when you click play, you should be able to open up your Spotify or your Apple Music or your link tree, whatever you want. But having a website is always good, because if any of the platforms go down, your fans will always know where to find you. We're gonna focus on setting up just this page, and there's more pages that this theme comes with, but we will check that at a later stage. Okay, so for us to get started, definitely gonna be using WordPress and the Sonaar theme, the Sonaar Moonlight theme. Shout out to Sonaar, man. They've been really holding it down. They got themes for producers, music artists, promoters. It's lit, and they have quality themes and good ratings too. So the link for this is in the description below. Once you click on the link, it's gonna bring you here, and you definitely have to choose which one you want to get. The reviews is 4.9 out of 5. Like, trust me, this is very legit, and it's gonna make you look too legit. So we're gonna get that and buy it. I already got mine. Once you are done buying, you're logging into the Sonaar website, and you're gonna go to my account. Once you get to my account, you'll go to downloads. Your theme should now be here. My theme is here too. I'm gonna click on download. I'm gonna download it, save it in my downloads. So now we'll go to appearance and go to themes, because we want to upload our newly downloaded Sonaar theme. So we're gonna go to upload theme, choose file, and definitely go to my downloads, theme, Sonaar. So you see there's that zip. You don't click on the zip, but you click on the folder. After you unzip it, you go into the folder, you go to theme, you'll find sonaar.zip and click open. Okay, once the theme is done installing, just click on activate. Cool, now we're gonna be welcomed by this wizard. Welcome to Sonaar, and you're gonna just click next. So this is just to set up your theme, installing the required plugins and everything. Shout out to Sonaar for making this as nice and as easy as possible. Install plugins, view advanced. So these are the plugins that you're gonna be installing right now. Elementor is one of them. Click install. Alright, great. Now we're done. We have to activate our license. Click on activate my license key. Then you're gonna go to your Sonaar account. I'm gonna go back to Sonaar, go to license keys, and I'm gonna copy my license key. Of course, I'm gonna hide it so you guys won't copy it. I'm gonna click copy. I'm gonna paste it here by the license key and click on activate my license. Great, it says your license key is valid. Now you can import a theme demo, so we don't start building from scratch. So don't click this one yet. Just first go to here where it says activate plugin, because you must activate Ion Demo Importer first. If you don't, you're gonna get an error. Click on activate. Now scroll all the way down to tools and select demo content install. And if you bought the single theme license, you definitely gonna only see one, which is the Moonlight. But if you bought the whole package, you'll see everything. But today we're gonna be working with the Moonlight. I'm not gonna install. Okay. Okay, cool. Now here it is, our first website. Yours might have a different background. Mine has a different background because I was working on this earlier, but I'm gonna show you guys how to change the background and how to change the links that link to the button and the image and the text as well, because this is a one-page site, but this theme comes with more pages. If you want to check them out, You can check them out. There's more than one, but I recommend that your homepage, you just keep it as easy as possible, as simple as possible. This is a very nice one if you have multiple. Okay, first thing first, I'm gonna show you how I change the background. You just go to the name of your website up there, and this should pop up. You go to theme options, then you go to look and feel, scroll all the way down, and you'll see main background. You can just remove background. This is the default one. Then you can select any picture. Here's the one that I've selected. Click on select, save. Now you go back to visit site. Even though my picture was already like this, yours should now be changed to this. And now we're gonna edit this information here. So to edit this, we have to use the revolution slider, because this is not just a picture. As you can see, there's some nice animation to it. It was done using revolution slider, which is a plugin as well that comes with the theme. So we're gonna go to dashboard and look for revolution slider revolution. There it is. I click on it. We have new slider and new album. The new album is the one on the home page, and it's the one you want to edit. Just open it there. Okay, cool. So what you're gonna change first, we'll start with the text. Just click on the text. You should get this pane on the right. I'm gonna say 0 to 100. That's the beat that I'm gonna upload. No, 0 to 60. Then here I'll just say Reggie Beatz. And then now I need to change the image. Just click on the image, and you'll see here I can also change it. I click on media library, go to media library. I'll just look for any. You can upload yours from scratch, but I'll just look for some that Sonaar already has. Put this guy who looks like Lil Wayne, insert, and then now here by new album available, I can say new single available. And now what I have to change as well is the link. When I click on this link, I want it to open up on Spotify. So if you click on the button here, I'm sorry, the button, not the link. Click on the button, you'll see on the left pane there'll be content, animation, and action. Click on action, and here you can see the current action is to call back. So the callback just calls the Sonaar player to play. What we want to do is that we want to open a new link once you click on the button. So we're gonna click on add action to play, and we're gonna be a click simple link, enter link. I'm gonna put a link to my Spotify beat 0 to 60. I'm gonna go back to the slider revolution slider, paste it there, and I'm gonna open it on a new window, so yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna close it, press save. I don't even preview because I trust that I did a good job. Okay, now we're gonna go back and check the website. Alright, there we go. Everything has changed now. Here's the picture, is my text. When I click play, it should open up a new link. There we go. Now it's opening up this new link, this site for my beat to play. So yeah, I think this is gonna be it for this video. If you want to edit the menu and all the other things, you can hit me up. Check out the link to my Discord and to my Patreon in the link below if you have any questions when you're setting up all the other things, because this theme can do way more than what I've just showed you guys. I just believe that this is what you need, but you can go and play around with more pages. As you can see here, there's about pages, contact us pages, specialty pages, shop pages, so yeah, it's pretty limitless. This is where I'm gonna end the video today. It was fun teaching you guys this. On the next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to sell merch, a proper way to sell merch. I know there's multiple ways, but I'll show you the easiest way to sell merch, because as an artist, you don't want to be doing too much admin. All you gotta do is just put in the work and keep on creating. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.